Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh is going to be filing his nomination from Uttar Pradesh's Lucknow constituency. And before he files his nomination papers, he paid a visit to a temple along with the other senior party leaders. Rajnath Singh also participated in a massive roadshow. The BJP's star candidate will be reaching the collectorate office in a short while from now. Rajnath Singh still doesn't really have any rival candidate who has been pitted against him, as the opposition is yet to come up with their candidate. It was in 2014 Rajnath Singh won from the Lucknow seat with a huge margin of nearly 3 lakh votes. Voting in Lucknow will take place in the 5th phase of elections on the 6th of May.
ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ किया है और आगे भी हम लोग ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं। यह जो इलेक्शन मैनिफेस्टो जो न्याय स्कीम है जो कांग्रेस पार्टी की है, तो मैं छलावा है देश के गरीबों के साथ, धोखा है। आपने देखा होगा कि जिस दिन इलेक्शन मैनिफेस्टो कांग्रेस का जारी हुआ था, उसके बाद जब क्लैरिफिकेशन लोगों ने सीख किया, तो क्लैरिफिकेशन देते उन्होंने कहा था कि 12,000 की जिनकी इनकम नहीं है, जो गैप होगा उस जो गैप होगा टॉप से, उसको हम कंपनसेट करेंगे। लेकिन उसको इस तरीके से कह दिया कि 72,000 रुपया देंगे। इस तरीके से जनता की आंखों में धूल झोंक कर राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए। और बराबर गरीबों को सचमुच गुमराह किया है इस देश में आजादी हासिल होने के बाद, सर्वाधिक किसी ने गुमराह किया है। और उनको गुमराह करके, उनके साथ धोखा करके, उनको छल कर, यदि सरकार जी किसी ने बनाई है तो कांग्रेस नहीं बनाई। इसीलिए हम लोग कहते हैं कि भारत गरीबी के संकट को दूर करने के लिए जो गंभीर प्रयास होने चाहिए थे, कांग्रेस की सरकारों ने नहीं किया।
राष्ट्रवाद इस बार बीजेपी के लिए चुनाव लड़ेगा।
राष्ट्रवाद भी जिताएगा और डेवलपमेंट और गुड गवर्नेंस जो कुछ भी हमारा एक ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड रहा है विगत 5 वर्षों का, वो चुनाव जिताएगा। ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड भी हमारा डेवलपमेंट और गुड गवर्नेंस का रहा है, वो जिताएगा। और साथ ही साथ हम पक्के राष्ट्रवादी हैं, यह भी जिताएगा। हम देश में सबको साथ लेकर चलना चाहते हैं, चाहे हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, ईसाई हो, पारसी हो, सिख हो, कोई हो।
मोदी वर्सेस गांधी फैमिली है ये लड़ाई।
मैं इतना बता दूं, 2014 की अपेक्षा 2019 में मोदी जी के प्रति जनता का विश्वास, जनता का भरोसा बढ़ा है। बस इतना ही कहना पर्याप्त होगा। मैं
यहाँ पर इंतजाम भव्यता आती है अपने कार्यकर्ताओं के जोश से, जनता के उत्साह से। और मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आज लखनऊ की महान जनता भी और हमारे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सभी कर्मठ और उत्साही कार्यकर्ता भी, वो सभी लोग आज स्वतः इस नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने के इस कार्यक्रम में आ रहे हैं। और आज मैं इतना ज़रूर कह सकता हूं कि आज इतने उत्साह के साथ लोग हैं कि अपने आप आज ही लखनऊ से भारतीय जनता पार्टी विजयी होगी, या संदेश विपक्षी को अपने आप चला जाएगा।
Let me go straight across now to India Today's Nilanchu. Nilanchu, the last I spoke to you, we were watching the visuals of that roadshow, Rajnath Singh embarking on the roadshow, and there was a lot of enthusiasm and energy among the party workers. Take us through the scenes and tell us a little bit more on the Union Home Minister's day today in Lucknow before he files his nomination papers.
Avantika, let me tell you that the convoy of Rajnath Singh is going to reach collectorate shortly. You can see that it is near the collectorate right now, and he is greeting the people who have gathered in large number. Let me tell you that this is one of the best roadshow I have seen in UP in this elections, even better than Smriti Irani and Rahul Gandhi in Amethi, because it is BJP's bastion. The BJP is winning the Lucknow seat since 1991. Atal Bihari Vajpayee has served as Member of Parliament from here for 18 years. So this is BJP's stronghold, and this is what the BJP workers are trying to show. They are trying to show their strength here, and it is not only the BJP workers of the JDU and also the Republican Party of India have also gathered here to showcase NDA's unity here. You can see Rajnath Singh on the truck along with UP Deputy Chief Minister Dr. Dinesh Sharma. You have all the senior BJP leaders, Kalraj Mishra, Keshav Prasad Maurya, BJP State Chief Dr. Mahendranath Pandey here, and you can see the enthusiasm of the workers here. They are constantly dancing on the roads. Women are also participating in large numbers, and you can also hear the sound of the drums.
Right.
So the workers are very much energized. They are very enthusiastic. They are constantly showering petals on the truck, and interestingly, the opposition parties have not fielded their candidate from here. Neither the Congress nor the SP-BSP alliance have fielded their candidate from Lucknow, and still they are deliberating on a good candidate from here. There have been a lot of discussions over candidate. There were also reports that Samajwadi Party is going to field Poonam Sinha from here, and the Congress will be fielding Jitin Prasada, but that has not taken place. Jitin Prasada has filed his nomination from Dhaurhara, and there is no clarity on the Samajwadi Party candidate as well.
All right, thank you so much, Nilanshu, for just taking us through the sights and sounds in Lucknow. Rajnath Singh presently on that roadshow, participating in the roadshow, and very interestingly, Lucknow is the BJP stronghold. It's the BJP's bastion. That perhaps explains why the BSP, SP and the Congress have decided not to field a candidate against the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.